Hello, in front of me I've got Poco X4 GT. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree and Continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back and go to lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 22 and a low of 11.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.